Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. We wish you all a very happy Dussera festival. Today I am going to show special food recipes we prepare at our hometown Telangana for Dussera festival. Breakfast we start with moong dal fritters. Lunch we delish a piping hot Bagara rice with chicken curry, mutton fry, and last but not the least, lunch is not complete without a soft drink. This is our meal plan. What recipes do you prepare for Dussera and how do you celebrate? Do let us know. Let's see a simple and delicious snack, Telangana special green moong dal fritters. If you follow the recipe, you can have these yummy fritters with crispy texture, soft and perfectly cooked inside. At the end of the video, I will also share some combinations for these fritters. So watch the video till the end. Now let's see how to prepare these super delicious snack. Take 2 cups of green moong dal, washed and soaked in enough water for at least 8 hours. Now take handful of dal and keep this in a separate bowl. Now take the dal in the blender, add 4 to 5 garlic pods, 5 to 6 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, salt, add very little, just around 1 teaspoon of water and grind this to a smooth paste. Transfer to a bowl, add the leftover soaked dal. This gives a very crunchy texture to the fritters. Add 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of chopped spring onions, 1 cup of coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Adjust the salt, make shape of fritters. Heat the oil for deep fry and slowly drop the fritters in the oil. Fry the green moong dal fritters on both the sides on a low to medium heat. Once they change to golden brown color, transfer them to a serving plate. You can see yummy and tasty fritters are ready to serve. You can have this with sabudana kheer, and non-vegetarian lovers can have this with spicy chicken or mutton curry. Let's see how to prepare Telangana special Bagara rice. This is prepared for special festivals and weddings in South India. It is also called as masala rice, which goes well with any curry. We do not add any vegetables in this Bagara rice recipe. It's just blend of all the spices which makes this rice more flavorful, and you can also have this with raita if you do not have any curries at home. Let's see the recipe. Heat a deep dish, add 5 tablespoons of ghee and 5 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera, 3 star anise, 3 mace, rock flour, 3 bay leaves, 1 stick cinnamon, 4 cardamom pods, 10 cloves. Now add this to the hot oil. Saute them. Add 5 to 6 green chilies. Fry them in the oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cashew nuts. Fry the cashew nuts until golden brown and add 1 cup of chopped onions. Fry the onions until they turn translucent. Add salt to taste. Mix well everything. Saute the onions very well in the oil. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell vanishes. We do not add any turmeric in this recipe. Add 1 cup of chopped mint leaves, 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves. Saute them in the oil. You can see everything is well cooked. Add 4.5 cups of water. Allow the water to boil. Once the water comes to rolling boil, add 3 cups of washed and soaked basmati rice. Now gently mix from the sides. Do not overmix as rice grains may tend to break. Adjust the salt, close the lid and cook until the water is evaporated and rice is completely cooked. You can see in the video, the rice is cooked, all the grains are separated. And now, hot and yummy Telangana Bagara rice is ready to serve. And for Dussera festival, we have this with chicken curry and mutton fry. Today, we have a special recipe which is loved by everyone. It is mouth-watering, tasty and spicy Telangana chicken curry recipe. Let's see how to prepare this super delicious recipe at home. In a mixer jar, take 1 stick cinnamon, 5 to 6 cloves, 3 cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Ground this to a fine powder. Next, wash chicken couple of times with water. Take in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of prepared fresh garam masala powder. Mix this. Keep this aside for at least 2 hours. In a wide pan, heat 1/4 cup of oil. Add 5 to 6 green chilies, 2 cups of finely chopped onions. Fry them until they turn soft and translucent. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. It takes around 5 minutes for onions to turn translucent. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry it until the raw smell vanishes. Now add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and mix it well. Now add the marinated chicken. Mix very well so that the spices are combined to the chicken. Fry the chicken in the oil itself for at least 10 minutes until you can see the oil to the sides of the pan. Now add 1 cup of water, some salt, you can adjust the salt as per your taste. Mix everything well. Now close the lid and cook this until the chicken turns soft. You can see in the video the chicken is completely cooked and oil started to come up. Cooking chicken on slow flame makes the chicken tender and juicy. The chicken is almost ready. Finally, add chopped coriander leaves. And here it is, spicy Telangana chicken curry. If you follow the recipe, then you will be amazed with the taste and sure you will fall in love with this recipe. Do try this Telangana chicken curry for this Dussera festival and enjoy with your loved ones. Let's see how to prepare authentic South Indian mutton fry recipe. Mutton is pressure cooked to soft and then coated with onion paste and other spices to enhance its taste and takes this to a next level. Let's see step-by-step procedure to how to prepare this South Indian mutton fry at your home. In a mixer jar, take 1 cup of roughly chopped onions, 2-inch ginger, 4 to 5 garlic pods and grind this to a smooth paste. Now in a pressure cooker, take 1 kg mutton, wash thoroughly, add salt half teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of water. Mix this once. Close the lid and cook for 5 whistles or until the mutton turns soft. Now keep this aside and allow to cool down. Heat a pan, add 8 tablespoons of oil, 5 to 6 slit green chilies, few curry leaves. Allow the curry leaves to splutter. Now add the prepared onion paste. Fry this for few minutes. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well until the raw smell vanishes. Next we will add few spices here. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of normal red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything well to combine all the spices. Cook until the paste comes together. Now add the pressure cooked mutton along with its water. Mix everything well so that the onion paste gets coated to the mutton. Fry this for at least 10 minutes. Finally, garnish it with coriander leaves. Yes, this is the mutton fry. It's ready to serve. Yummy, tasty and delicious mutton fry is ready to serve now. You can have this with rice, rotis or breads of your choice. Mutton is so tender and cooked well. The taste of the onion and the other spices are coated to the mutton very well. Try this mouth-watering mutton fry and let us know how it turns out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking, Zindagi!